Rishabh Jain, an 8th grade student at Stoller Middle School in Portland, Oregon, wins America's Top Young Scientist Award for inventing a device that facilitates the diagnosis and treatment of pancreatic cancer. Watch on to find out more.
Greetings, smart viewers. I am Jana Yogesh. The truth-loving Indian people send you wholehearted support for your noble dedication to divine values. Young inventors are making a significant contribution to bettering our world. Rishabh Jain is the creator of the Pancreatic Cancer Deep Learning System tool, while Shaushi Bakarin, a Syrian-Armenian refugee undergraduate student in Canada, invented the Ventus, a charging and cooling system that is used in aircraft. In this first episode of our two-part series, we explore the creative talents of 13-year-old Rishabh, Shining World Invention Award laureate and the winner of the 2018 Discovery Education 3M Young Scientist Challenge. Pancreatic cancer is the 7th leading global cause of deaths linked to cancer and the 3rd primary cause of cancer-related deaths in the USA. According to the American Cancer Society, pancreatic cancer accounts for about 3% of all cancers and about 7% of all cancer deaths in the United States. Rishabh, an 8th grade student at Stoller Middle School in Portland, Oregon, USA, and a vegetarian, combined his artificial intelligence programming skills with his keen interest to improve the success rate of healing pancreatic cancer to invent the Pancreatic Cancer Deep Learning System tool. The tool substantially boosts the success rate of accurately detecting the pancreas's location during magnetic resonance imaging guided radiotherapy. Statistics reveal that for all stages of pancreatic cancer combined, 5-year survival rate is 7%, 10-year survival rate is 1%. The stomach or other nearby organs and the breathing movement of the lungs cause the pancreas to move around in the abdominal area, thus hindering easy detection of the pancreas. This poses a serious challenge in the early diagnosis of the illness. More often, pancreatic cancer is diagnosed and treated in a later and more severe stage, making therapy for the condition much less effective. This accounts for the low success rate of pancreatic cancer diagnosis and treatment. Furthermore, the current method of radiotherapy application can be inaccurate and thus may be detrimental to healthy cells, as Rishabh Jain now explains.
So currently, pancreatic cancer is detected in a late stage, and by then, doctors try to use radiotherapy to help treat it, but most of the time, it's not effective enough. So I got inspired to do some research on this.
Doctors use MRI-guided radiotherapy to help treat this disease. However, due to interpatient variability, where the structures of people's bodies are different, and anatomical changes like breathing, the pancreas can often move out of sight, causing radiation to have negative effects on the body.
Rishabh's Pancreatic Cancer Deep Learning System tool helps doctors detect the pancreas more accurately with a 98.9% success rate.
I use various statistical techniques such as the confusion matrix, ROC curve, and box and whisker plot to ensure my innovation gives highly accurate results.
Currently, doctors can have to apply sometimes a 7mm overlay around the pancreas of radiation, and this can affect millions of healthy cells. So my tool is able to reduce that area to around 4mm, so that saves millions of healthy cells and can improve patient quality of care.
We shall be right back with more about Rishabh Jain's benevolent invention. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. Welcome back to Young Inventors in the Golden Era, Part 1 of 2. We will now further explore the features of Rishabh Jain's tool that could save the lives of many pancreatic cancer patients.
And as you can see throughout its transforming, it's very hard for the human eye to detect where the pancreas is, and this is especially a problem in real time when radiologists and oncologists have to find the pancreas and apply radiation treatment. So over here on the left side, my tool can be run to find where exactly the pancreas is in one of these CT or MRI slices and output this result instantaneously.
With PCDLS, radiation dosages for patients can be decreased, and with accurate treatments, many lives can be saved. I'm really excited with the results that I've gotten with PCDLS, and I hope to find a cure for this cancer one day.
Rishabh's tool works with hospitals' existing radiotherapy equipment and may be incorporated directly into new machines. He is currently in communication with hospitals based in his home state of Oregon and also with well-established national hospitals in the United States, such as the Johns Hopkins Hospital and Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center about future uses of his innovation. How did Rishabh become interested in helping better cancer care? Learning of the loss of a family friend to pancreatic cancer, knowing that famed founder of the technology company Apple, Steve Jobs, lost his life to the condition in 2011, made Rishabh determined to help treat this disease that currently has a low survival rate following diagnosis. Rishabh's invention of the pancreatic cancer deep learning system led him to win the 2018 Discovery Education 3M Young Scientist Challenge. Of his creation, the promising scientist shared on the American Bazaar, "I have been very interested in STEM areas and started learning, doing research, and experimenting with applications of artificial intelligence in the medicine area. This led me to my invention of my pancreatic cancer deep learning system tool." Being a part of the Young Scientist Challenge means that if one is selected as one of the 10 finalists, a scientist from the 3M company will mentor them. Dr. Don Demergos, a 3M corporate supply chain black belt and product development and research expert, supported Rishabh throughout his tool's creation process. Lori McFarlane, Chief Marketing Officer of Discovery Education, a company that produces digital textbooks and provides educational services, said, "Discovery Education is honored to be a part of a partnership that not only encourages but provides the tools necessary for the next generation of young innovators to be successful in their pursuit of learning how to make the world a better place." The Discovery Education 3M Young Scientist Challenge inspires children to create innovative, problem-solving projects, which can be applied to real-life situations. Every year around mid-October, a live competition is hosted at the 3M Innovation Center in St. Paul, Minnesota, USA, for middle school students across the country. Rishabh Jain won the 2018 edition of the competition and was awarded the title of America's Top Young Scientist, accompanied by a cash prize of $25,000. With this prize money, Rishabh seeks to further develop his tool to assist in pancreatic cancer treatment, create a non-profit organization called the Samyak Science Society to encourage young children to study science and technology, engineering and math, and set aside some funds for his future studies. Receiving this award really means a lot to me, as it validates my work and further motivates me to continue working on my research and spread awareness about pancreatic cancer, Rishabh tells U.S. magazine Teen Vogue. His mother, Manisha Jain, a realtor who is originally from India, said, "That's always something that we talk to kids about. Do something that can impact the community." And that's what Rishabh is probably trying to achieve. We're very excited and proud of him. Rishabh stated,
So I want to continue pursuing medicine and engineering as I grow up. So for my undergraduate degree, I'm thinking about becoming a biomedical engineer. And later I want to make a difference in other people's lives.
May Rishabh Jain's innovative and brilliant invention enhance the effectiveness of pancreatic cancer treatment throughout our world. For more information on Rishabh Jain, please visit twitter.com/RishabhJainK.